Taco Bell is testing a new plant-based Cravitarian protein. Cravitarian. So I guess you have they want to kind of say vegetarian, but they're too cool, right? They're Taco Bell. So it has to be Cravitarian. And I didn't know this, but Taco Bell is apparently a popular choice for not just the vegetarians, but also the vegans, because you can actually pretty much order anything on their menu as vegetarian or vegan at Taco Bell. I didn't really even think about that. The way it works is that all those items, you can substitute the meat for beans on any item on the menu. Yeah.
The beans. And
if you want to go full vegan with it, you can order it. I think it's called Fresca. I saw it in this article. And then what will happen is the cheese will get swapped for tomatoes.
Okay.
So you can go full,
this actually sounds pretty good. Beans and tomatoes?
Well, that's not what they're launching today or in this article. This thing, Cravitarian, is actually using chickpeas and peas for that protein. That's actually going to taste like meat. That's what they want you to try out.
Okay.
And I don't know about you. I like chickpeas and I like peas, so I don't know. You put enough taco-related spices in there, I'm sure it's going to work out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It might not be meat, but, everybody wants these meatless options. Everybody's trying to...
What does it look like? Is there a...
I don't know. Is it...
Do you think that's what it is?
I
think it might be a visual thing.
Yeah, that looks like beef in the picture there. The new vegan creation is made of a blend of peas and chickpeas and comes with shredded cheese, lettuce, diced tomatoes, and sour cream in a crunchy shell. Taco Bell says the new dish comes in at 180 calories, comparable to the 190 calories in a standard crunchy taco supreme.
On a little diet.
Because the Cravitarian protein is vegan, nearly any menu item can be made vegan. The protein can be swapped into chalupas, burritos, and other iconic Taco Bell dishes. Now, here's the bad news if you thought you were going to give it a shot. The new product is only available at one Taco Bell location in California through April 29, selling for $2.19. I presume this is one of those tester things.
Yeah, we were just talking about that.
We were talking about that. Who were we talking about that with? Oh, Sony.
Yeah, Poland.
Yeah, you do a small market test and you see what happens. You get the feedback you're looking for. You start to roll it out a little bit further.
Are you guys fans of Taco Bell?
When I was a kid, man, Taco Bell was way up here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
When I was a kid, I used to ride my bike cross town for the Taco Bell. You don't believe me? I wrangle the friends. I say, we got to go get that Taco Bell.
Oh.
Yeah, absolutely. Because it was a little more fun than the other fast food,
Yeah.
in the sense that they're not as common. Like, at least around here, you would have 5 McDonald's before you had a Taco Bell.
Sure.
Well, what about now? When's the last time you've been to a Taco Bell?
It's been a while. Yeah.
Not even the kids?
No, I've taken them, but it's just been a while.
Yeah.
What is it about the food item taco that feels like fun? Like I remember in my household, in my house, if it was like a taco night, it's like, it's taco night.
It's like finger food and messy.
There's just something weirdly fun about tacos, just inherently.
Yeah.
Also, I feel like the customization.
If you can build your own.
Yeah.
You know what else I think it is? Is that you're allowed and expected to have more than one.
Oh, yeah.
It's not like a burger, right?
Dude, you're a monster if you only have one.
Yeah, exactly. So you have the green light to keep going.
Yeah.
And Taco Bell would sell you like 8. They tell you like a pack of 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tacos or something
For
like
like
that.
$3.
But it is kind of interesting to think that they've been also a key choice for the vegan and vegetarian types. So you wouldn't expect like the two things don't feel like they cross over.
Yeah. The beans
also, I should just give a shout out right now to a childhood friend, Kyle Cruz, who used to work at the Taco Bell. And if you would roll past late at night when they're about to close, he will hook you up.
Oh, okay. Which Taco Bell is this? And is he still there?
He will hook you up. No. He's moved on. But when you're that age, like around early high school, to have your pal at Taco Bell, that was a thing as well. So shout out Kyle Cruz. Haven't seen him in a while there. Anyway, would you guys try that, by the way? You would try the Would you try the new protein, the Cravitarian taco? Would you give it one shot or no?
Yeah, I would give it a shot. Yeah. I don't know. I'm craving like actual Taco Bell now.
No. I
So
hear you. But what if it was an 8 out of 10? Let's say the taco you're looking for is 10, and this is an 8. You consider?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah, an 8.
Yeah, count me in.
That's pretty good.
Well, I was just saying if 10 is what you're used to. I'm not
right,
necessarily
right. Oh,
saying a
sure,
taco is a 10.
Well, I like chickpeas, so I think I would actually enjoy it.
Here we go.
Yeah, let's make the trip.